Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily set up different profiles for different games. Now we are in the RAZER Synapse application, and to do so, at first we have to enter our device. Now we have to create our profile and made some changes, I don't know, maybe something like that. And now we have to tap these three dots here. We have to tap link games, and to link to some game, we just have to select this game, for example, and now we can click this X. And now, as you can see, linked games, we have these two games linked. And now if we turn on some game, we'll have this profile enabled. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.